So in peso, that's 20 pesos. Diba? Dito, $10,000 na. Dollars, 10,000. Ano, dong? Dong? No, that's not there, ano? Dong. Okay. So, lahat to, street food. Ayan. Street food. Ayan. Ang sasarap naman. Look at that. Diba? Buong street na to ganyan. All seafood, all prawns, all ano, wow. So, ang sarap naman, no? Sarap dito, nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa lang. You know? Look at that. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, parang shake. Yes. Ayan, look at this. Hello. Look, Ayan. Very nice. Yeah. I don't know. Look at this. Ito yung inano namin kanina. Sugar cane. Yeah. Look at that. Super duper. Yeah. It goes over there. So I just have to stop this video. Hindi siya matapos. Hanggang dun yan. Okay. Hello, let's go back.